Hello students, I am Kirti from Computer Science Department, GSIPU College, Mysuru. So today is our 12th session of Chapter 4 Data Structures. In this session, we are going to study about the applications of stacks. So now let's see what are the applications of stack. So stacks are used to convert from infix expression to its equivalent prefix or postfix expression. It is used to convert from infix expression into its equivalent prefix or postfix expression. Next application is, it is used for memory management. It is used for memory management. And third application is, it is used to solve Tower of Hanoi. To solve Tower of Hanoi. It works based on the principle of stacks. Next application is to evaluate expressions. To evaluate expressions as well as for syntax parsing. Syntax parsing. So what is the meaning of syntax parsing? It is nothing but it is a process of evaluating string of symbols either in natural processing language or in data structures conforming to the rules of a formal grammar. That is called as syntax parsing. Next application is, they are used for backtracking problems. They are used for backtracking problems. It is used in sorting the elements using quicksort concept. Using quicksort, we are going to sort the elements. Next application is to reverse a string. Reversal of a string. So here we are using a stack first to push all the operands as well as the, here we will use stack to push all the strings into the stack. Then we are going to pop all the characters from the stack to reverse the string. So this is about the applications of stacks. Next is arithmetic expression. What is arithmetic expression? Arithmetic expression is a combination of operators and operands. After evaluation, it results in a single value. So what is arithmetic expression? It's a combination of It's a combination of operators and operands. After evaluation, it results in a single value. So here, operators and operands. So what is an operator? Operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus symbol, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, etc. So what is an operand? Operand includes variables as well as constants. Variables and constants. Variables and constants. When it comes to variables, it may be the alphabets. When it comes to constants, it may be the numbers. So this is about operators and operands. Now let's see the different types of expressions. Expressions can be, it may be infix expression. The first one is infix expression. Second one is prefix expression. And third one is postfix expression. So what is infix expression? Infix expression is an expression where if an operator is in between two operands, then it is called as an infix expression. If an operator means all these symbols. So if an operator is in between two operands, then we call it as infix expression. If an operator is in between two operands, then we call it as infix expression. When it comes to prefix expression, if an operator precedes two operands, then we call it as prefix expression. When it comes to postfix expression, if an operator is followed by an operand, then we call it as postfix expression. So these are the examples for infix, prefix as well as postfix expression respectively. So consider in this expression A plus B, where A and B are the operands plus is an operator. Plus is an operator. A and B are the operands, plus is an operator. Now let's see how to convert from infix expression to postfix expression. So this is the algorithm for infix to postfix conversion. So what is the first step? First step, we have to examine the next element in the input. After examining the next element in the input, the second step, if it is an operand, then we have to output it. If it is opening parenthesis, then we have to push it on stack. If it is an operator, then if stack is empty, then we have to push operator on stack. Otherwise, if the top of the stack is opening parenthesis, then we have to push operator on stack. If it has higher priority than the top of the stack, then we have to push operator on stack. Else we have to pop the operator from the stack and output it. We have to repeat step 4. If it is a closing parenthesis, then we have to pop the operators from the stack and output them until an opening parenthesis is encountered. Then we have to pop and discard the opening parenthesis. The sixth step, if there is more input, we have to repeat from the step 1. In the step 7, if there is no more input, pop the remaining operators to output. So first we have to examine the next element in the output. Then we have to check whether it is an operand or an operator. If it is an operand, then we have to output it. If it is an operator, then we have to check for all these conditions, because here some operators have higher precedence than the other operators. So if it is closing parenthesis, then we have to pop the operators from the stack. So after doing all these process, so if there is more input, we have to go for the step 1, else we have to pop the operators from the stack to output. Now let us see how to convert from infix expression to postfix expression. First expression, a plus b star c e minus f. So the first column is expression column, then the stack, then the output. So first we have to examine the elements in the input. So the first is an operand. A is an operand. So what we have to do? We have to output it. A is an operand. So here the stack is empty. We are outputting an operand. Next, examine the element. So what is this? It is an operator. It is an operator. So if it is an operator, then if the stack is empty, what we have to do? We have to push operator on stack. So here the stack is empty, hence we have to push this operator into the stack. Next is an operand. So what we have to do? We have to output the operand. Next, multiplication symbol. So multiplication is an operator. So what we have to do? We have to push this operator into the stack. Next, check which element we are having. We are having an operand, so we are going to output an operand. Next is slash symbol. So this is nothing but the division symbol. So here star division and this modulus symbol have the highest priority than the addition and subtraction symbol. So what we are going to do, I am going to pop this multiplication symbol. I am pushing this division symbol into the stack because multiplication, division and modulus symbol have the same priority. Next is opening parenthesis. So what is opening parenthesis? If it is an opening parenthesis, we have to push it into the stack. So push it into the stack. Next, check what we are having. We are having an operand. So we are going to popping it out. Next, minus is an operator. So we are pushing it into the stack. Next is an operand, that is F. We are going to output it. EF. Next is closing parenthesis. So if it is a closing parenthesis, pop operators from the stack and output them until an opening parenthesis is encountered. Then pop and discard the opening parenthesis. So what we have to do now? We have to pop all the operators until we get this parenthesis. So that is A, B, C star E, F. Pop the operators. The first operator is minus. We got the opening parenthesis. So discard it. Next symbol is division as well as addition symbol. So here we don't have any input. So we have to stop at this level. We have to pop the remaining operators to the output. So the output is A, B, C star E, F minus slash plus. So this is the output for this infix expression. Next, let's solve another infix expression to convert into its postfix expression. Next expression is 2 into 3 slash 2 minus 1 plus 5 into 3 into postfix form. Yes, the first step is we have to examine the element in the input. So what is the first input? The first input is an operand. So 2 is an operand. So hence we are going to output it. So here the stack is empty. The output is 2. Next, multiplication. So multiplication. So if it is an operator, then we have to push operator on stack. I am going to push this operator on stack. Next is an operand. So I am going to output this. Next is an operator. So this operator has same precedence level, and so I am going to pop out this multiplication symbol. After this I am pushing this operator into the stack. Next is opening parenthesis. I am going to push this into the stack. Next is an operand. I am going to output it. Minus is an operator. I am going to push it into the stack. Next, 1 is an operand. I am going to output it. So the next element is closing parenthesis. So if it is a closing parenthesis, we have to pop out the operators from the stack and output them until an opening parenthesis encounter. Then we have to pop and discard the opening parenthesis. So here we have to pop out all the operators and we have to discard this opening parenthesis. Next is an operator. Plus is an operator, so I am going to push it into the stack. Next, 5 is an operand. I am going to output it. Multiplication symbol. I am going to push it into the stack, which has higher priority than the addition symbol. Next is an operand, that is 3. So here we don't have no more inputs. So then we are going to pop out all the operators from the stack. So the output will be 2, 3, multiplication symbol, 2, 1, minus division symbol 5, 3 star plus. So this will be the output of this infix expression. So this is how we are going to convert from infix expression to postfix expression. So in this session we have studied the applications of stack and the different types of arithmetic expressions and how to convert from infix expression to postfix expression, and this is one of the application of stacks. Thank you.